All right, welcome back. It is chapter 19. Fair warning, it's another doozy. All right, here we go. Chapter 19. The next morning, Dad came into my room and told me the quiz team got ninth place and only got a small trophy. Mom asked me if I wanted to stay home from school. I shook my head no. I wanted to go to school and show everyone I would be okay and they couldn't make me feel bad anymore. Mom gave me a bath and helped me get dressed and gave me breakfast. It was raining hard outside. Mom got a phone call that she had to go into work. Dad told me, I'm not feeling good today, and neither is Penny. Do you just want to stay home with us? I kicked and yelled and used my talker to say no. I need to go to school today. I wanted to go to school to see Catherine. I knew she would make me feel better, and I wanted to give her the card I got her. When we were eating breakfast, Penny spilled juice on me. Mom had to change my shirt, and I missed the bus. Mom asked me, please stay home with Dad and Penny today. It's raining, and I have to get to work. I kicked and yelled and shook my head no. I wanted to go to school. Mom helped me get into the car. It was raining even harder. When we got in the car, I remembered that we had forgotten my backpack. It had Catherine's card in it. I kicked my legs and yelled, but Mom didn't know why I was doing it. Then Dad opened the front door. He had my bag. Mom brought it to the car. Dad waved at us from the door. Then I saw Penny run out the door behind them and run into the driveway. Mom and Dad didn't see that she had run outside. So Melody's baby sister Penny ran outside and no one sees her. Melody kicked, she screamed. I moved my arms. I wanted Mom to know Penny was behind the car so she didn't hit her. Mom didn't know why I was kicking and screaming. Stop it, she told me. I hit the car window. I pulled Mom's shirt, hit her on the head, and pinched her. I wanted her to know Penny was behind the car. I hate it when you do this. Quit it, Mom yelled. I tried to pull the keys away from her. I screamed and kicked. She needed to know Penny was behind the car. I wished I could talk so I could tell Mom. Mom started the car. I cried and tried to grab Mom's arms, but she pushed me away. Then she backed the car up and we heard it hit something. The car had hit Penny. Penny got hurt by the car. Dad ran outside of the house and yelled, Where's Penny? Then he and Mom saw her laying in the driveway. She was hurt very badly. Mom screamed and cried. An ambulance came to take Penny to the hospital. I was so scared. Mrs. V took me to her house while Mom and Dad went to the hospital with Penny. Mrs. V gave me Penny's stuffed toy doodle. I found this under the car, she said. I started crying. Penny got hurt by the car. If I hadn't made Mom take me to school, the car wouldn't have hit Penny. Penny didn't get hurt because of you, Mrs. V said. I used my talker to say yes, she did. Mrs. V said, you did the best you could to tell your mom Penny was behind the car. You should be proud of yourself. I'm not proud, I typed on my talker. Then I typed, will Penny die? Mrs. V told me she thought Penny would be okay, but I could tell she was scared. Then I typed, will Penny be in a wheelchair like me? Mrs. V said, I hope not. Then I typed, it should have been me to get hit by the car, not Penny. No one would miss me. Mrs. V got mad. Don't say that. Everyone would be so sad if something happened to you, Mrs. V said. Then I typed, I want to be like the other kids. Mrs. V said, people love you the way you are, not because of what you can or cannot do. I typed, I'm scared, Mrs. V said. Me too. Penny got hurt by the car. Then the phone rang and Mrs. V answered it. It was Mom calling from the hospital. She said Penny broke her leg, but she would be okay. I was so happy that Penny would be okay. Phew, a lot going on there, huh? Pretty scary for a while, but Penny is going to be okay. All right, that is the end of chapter 19. Like always, questions will be in the link in the description for this video, and we will have one more video for Out of My Mind. Next week, we'll be finishing up with chapters 20 and 21. I hope you've been enjoying it.